Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Nur Irfan Shamim bin Rosnadi. Today I would like to present my final year project entitled Cooperative Assessment of Above Ground Biomass for Harum Manis Mango Plantation using machine learning methods. This research was conducted under the supervision of Dr. Nur Ain Muhammad Zaki and co-supervised by Dr. Nik Afika and Ahmad Yani. So let's start with background of study. Above ground biomass or AGB is an important indicator for evaluating vegetation productivity, carbon storage and plantation management. Traditionally, biomass estimation relies on field measurements which are labor intensive, time consuming and may require disruptive sampling. To overcome these limitations, allometric equations can estimate biomass using measurable tree characteristics such as DBH and tree height. In addition, UAV multispectral imagery provides high-resolution information on canopy, structure, and vegetation characteristics, while machine learning algorithms are capable of modeling complex relationships between these variables to improve biomass estimation accuracy. So we go through the problem statement. Although machine learning has been widely applied in forest biomass estimation, studies focusing on agricultural tree plantations, particularly Harum Manis Mango plantation, are still limited. Another challenge is determining the most suitable machine learning algorithm because prediction accuracy depends on both the selected algorithm and the quality of the input data. Therefore, there is a need to evaluate different machine learning models for biomass estimation in Harum Manis Mango plantations. Besides the limitations of machine learning applications, existing allometric equations are mainly developed for tropical forests and may not accurately represent the structural characteristics of Harum Manis Mango tree. Furthermore, UAV multispectral imagery alone cannot fully explain biomass variation because biomass accumulation is influenced by multiple structural factors. Therefore, integrating field measurements, UAV-derived parameters, and machine learnings may improve biomass estimation accuracy. The aim of this study is to establish the accuracy assessment of above-ground biomass estimation for Harum Manis Mango using machine learning techniques with allometric equations. The first objective is to determine the UAV-derived parameters used for AGB estimation. The second is to identify the most suitable machine learning model based on the evaluation results. And lastly, objective is to establish the prediction accuracy of each machine learning algorithm. So, based on this objective, 3 research questions were formulated. First, what UAV-derived parameters are significant for estimating above-ground biomass? Second, which machine learning algorithm provides the best prediction performance? And last one, what is the prediction accuracy of each machine learning model? This research was conducted at Harum Manis Mango Plantation located at University Technology Mara Perlis, branch in Arau Perlis, Malaysia. The study area consists of managed Harum Manis Mango trees, making it suitable for evaluating above-ground biomass estimation using UAV multispectral imagery and machine learning techniques. So, for the scope and limitation, this study focuses only on Harum Manis Mango plantations, and the analysis uses field measurements together with UAV multispectral imagery, and the methodology combines allometric equations, UAV-derived parameters, and machine learning algorithms for above-ground biomass estimation. However, the findings are limited to the selected study area and only above-ground biomass was considered. Environmental conditions and sensor limitations may also influence the accuracy of the extracted parameters. So, for the methodology, consists of several stages. First, field measurements were conducted to collect DBH, tree height and other tree information. And next, we go through UAV multispectral imagery processed using Agisoft Metashape. Tree crown segmentation next was then performed in condition developer. After that, crown projection area and tree height were extracted in ArcGIS Pro. And finally, machine learning models were developed and evaluated using Python. So here are results and analysis. For the first objective, 3 parameters were successfully prepared for machine modeling. These parameters are diameter at brace height, which is DBH, crown projection area CPA, and tree height extracted from the canopy height model CHM. The extracted parameters were combined with the reference AGB values obtained from the Chave allometric equation to develop the machine model. For the second result analysis and second objective, 3 machine learning models were developed, namely SVM support vector machine, RF random forest, and ANN artificial neural network. This slide shows the relationship between the observed and predicted AGB values generated by the support vector machine model. Most of the predicted values closely follow the observed values, indicates that good agreement and reliable prediction performance. And lastly, for my result, for the third objectives too, the prediction accuracy of all machine models was evaluated using R-squared, RMSE, and NAE. The result shows that the SVM achieved the highest performance with an R-squared value of 0.84, RMSE of 4.84 kilograms, and MAE of 3.46 kilograms. Random forest ranked second, while artificial neural network produced the lowest prediction accuracy. Therefore, the SVM model was identified as the most suitable algorithm for above-ground biomass estimation in this study. So, in conclusion, this study successfully integrated UAV multispectral imagery, field measurements, and machine learning techniques for above-ground biomass estimation in harum manis mangrove plantation. Among the evaluated models, the SVM achieved the highest prediction accuracy. The generated AGB maps demonstrate that UAV-derived parameters combined with machine learning models provide an accurate and non-destructive approach for biomass estimation. For further work, additional UAV-derived variables and more advanced machine learning or deep learning algorithms should be explored to further improve prediction accuracy. And these are the references used throughout this study.